Perimeter circle. Perimeter circles are often drawn tangent to existing lines or arcs. The circle tool was presented in section 2.4, which has been linked in this video. In that previous section we have sketched perimeter circle using 3 points and tangent to 3 line. But in this section we will learn to sketch perimeter circle using tangent to 2 line and circle. To draw a perimeter circle, access the sketching tools, define a plane, and the units. As we will draw perimeter circle to the tangent of 2 line and a circle. Let's first draw those reference lines and circle. Click the perimeter circle tool. Click a starting point, point 1. In this example the horizontal line was selected. Any point on the line is acceptable. But it is good practice to select a point on the line near the approximate location of the tangent point. Move the cursor and define point 2. In this example the vertical line was selected. Move the cursor and select point 3. In this example the circle was selected. Then click the green OK mark. So, sketching a perimeter circle is done. Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.